Hi folks, today I'm going to show you how to destroy a computer hard disk drive. This is part of a suite called How to Securely Prepare Your Computer for Disposal, and in this case you might want to wreck the hard drive so no one can access your data. If it's a laptop, just turn it over. You will need to remove the cover to get at the hard disk drive. You might need a special screwdriver. Locate the hard disk drive, undo any securing screws and slide it out. When you remove the cover, you'll see a round motor that indicates perhaps where the platter is. This is a Western Digital hard disk drive, and I've placed it in a vise so I can drill a couple of holes through it. This shows where I've drilled the two holes. I will now show you two other hard disk drives and where to drill. This first one is an IBM hard disk drive. That's the front cover. And when we have a look inside, the platter's on the left there. And that's where we have to drill some holes so no one can spin this thing up and read it. I also have a Seagate hard disk drive. There's no indication in the back where the platter is, and that on the front is a false indication because the platter is actually there on the left. Again, I'm going to drill two holes as I've shown in black. I hope you learnt something from watching this video. As I said, this is part of a suite called How to Securely Prepare Your Computer for Disposal, and YouTube links to all these subparts will be in the description under this online video. Bye for now.